Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and we're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. With me is Mr. Mark Emalfarb of Dyadic International Symbol. It's a publicly traded company, DYAI. Mark, welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, thanks for having me here. I appreciate it. This is a very interesting conference.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Tell me about Dyadic.
So Dyadic is a biotech company that's global. We have customers in 35 countries around the world. We turn DNA into products, things like proteins and enzymes. A variety of things we do with those products are we use them to stonewash blue jeans. In fact, we started off pioneering the stonewash blue jean business. So we've evolved from jeans with a J to jeans with a G. Some of the genetic genes that we use today are being used by companies like Sanofi Pasteur, one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, where we're working on developing a new vaccine to treat human disease. One of the other things we've done is we've taken a Russian fungus among us. We've evolved it over 20 years into making massive amounts of cellulase enzymes that turn plant material into sugar to make biofuels. And we're doing that in conjunction with companies like Bioenergy, which is one of the largest alternative energy companies in the world. It's a Spanish company. They're publicly traded on the NASDAQ, and they actually own about 6% of our company. Other things we do with DNA is we turn them into enzymes and proteins to feed animals, to make chickens, pigs, cows more nutritious, healthier, without all the different harmful things that are being used today, so we can stretch the grains and feed more people for less money. So those are just an example, Shelley, of a variety of different things that we do by turning DNA into proteins and enzymes in very large scale, affordably.
You're a designer DNA company, is the way I look at it, because you're only putting in what you want to put into that product, correct?
That's correct. We actually have developed a way to take DNA from any source, whether it's human, plant, bacterial, microbes, or any living cell, and we're able to take those DNA and design exactly the products, as you pointed out. It's very good, simple, to make whatever it is, not only that we want, but we're making products in conjunction with some of the largest companies on Earth. BASF, the largest chemical company in the world, just licensed our technology in May. They gave us a $6 million upfront payment, and they're going to pay us royalties and milestones as not only we design products, they're bringing it in-house, and they're going to use this capability to design a variety of their products for all the different industries that they touch. This is a company that has 100,000 employees worldwide, and we've now empowered them to design biological products and solutions for a vast number of industries and market opportunities that they have, Shelley.
I have a two-part question. A, what's your background? And B, is it right time, right place?
Interesting. My background is I'm actually a journalism major that wrestled at the University of Iowa. So from an academic schooling standpoint, I shouldn't be where I am today. So the journey from genes to genes is kind of unusual and unique. But the technology is even more unique than that journey, because it is here today. Today, it's kind of like the microchip industry, where it's Moore's Law, faster, quicker, cheaper. Through the modern technology of genomics, proteomics, and all the buzzwords you hear every day in the pharmaceutical industry and the biotech industry, today we're turning DNA into products, designing those products specifically to make your lives better, cheaper, more affordable, greener, cleaner world. So everything everybody's doing today, we're at the forefront of that, and we've been at the forefront, and it's now coming out into the products that are being used by the world today for feed, food, drugs, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, fuels, you name it, we can design it.
What does dyadic mean?
Dyadic actually means two-way communication. It came from my journalism background at school, but it's interesting because if you have a gene, DNA, and you have a cell, and if they don't communicate, you don't end up with a product, whether it's design or otherwise. So it actually fits. So that's what dyadic means, two-way communication, in this case, between the gene and the cell. And that gene and cell, you can make a protein, but if you don't make it in large volumes cheaply, you can't commercialize it. And we've developed a way to make large volumes of cheap proteins at affordable prices. And not only for ourselves, but in partnership with some of the biggest companies on Earth, like BASF, Abengoa, Sanofi, other biotech companies like Codexis, etc.
What's your website?
Our website is DYADIC.com. And we also have a Dutch research facility, which is DYADIC.nl. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Emalfarb, Dyadic International, publicly traded symbol is DYAI. I'm Shelley Kraft.
This is SNN Live. We're coming to you from the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. Mark, thank you for coming on to SNN Live.
Thanks for having us, Charlie. We appreciate it.